Hari Om everyone, thank you so much for watching this video today. In today's video, we are going to practice a few asanas which helps us to have periods pain-free. So you have to practice these asanas all throughout the month and you'll notice that your period days are absolutely pain-free. So let's get started and learn how to do these practices. So the first asana we're going to practice is byKankana, which is also called as the butterfly posture. So here you're going to get the sole of your feet together like that. Okay? Make sure your heels are really close to your body. You're going to lock your hands around your feet like that and start flapping your thighs up and down. I'm sure many of us already know this practice. It's just that you need to regularly practice it consistently without leaving even a single day. So what does this do? It actually relaxes your pelvis region and makes your periods really pain-free. So you're going to try and do this at least for about 2 minutes. If you wish, you can go ahead with counting, maybe around 50 to 60 flaps is a good number. And from then, with an inhale, you slowly arch your back, look upward. And as you exhale, slowly fold forward. With an inhale, look up again. And exhale, down. 3, come up again. And exhale, down. 4, up. And exhale, down. We'll do one last time. 5, up and exhale. Now this time you're going to try and hold it down. Stay there, keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Very slowly come. Now once you've done this practice, if you're a beginner in the practice, you will feel a stretch around this region, but that's what we are looking at. Slowly, as you keep practicing more regularly, you'll notice that you're very comfortable with the practice. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Here you're going to place your hands on your knees and start moving your torso in circular motion. Now with every exhale, slowly come down, and with every inhale, come back, making circles with your torso. You can repeat this for about 5 times clockwise. Continue to breathe normally. With every exhale, come down and inhale, come up. Now you're going to go reverse. So inhale up and exhale down. Slowly start making circles with your torso. 5 clockwise and 5 anti-clockwise. Try doing it with your breath because you're more mindful when you are also synchronizing your breath with the movements. So once you've done that about 5 times, let's move on to the next practice. Now the next practice, stretch your right leg out. We're going to go for some side bend. So grab hold of your big toe, stretching yourself to the side. Take a few breaths there, feel that nice good stretch. Come back to the center. You can repeat the same on the opposite side. Grab hold of your big toe and stretching yourself to the side. Feel a nice stretch as you do this. Very slowly come back. Okay, now moving on to the next practice. Now here we will be practicing cat and cow practice, which is again very comforting, at the same time helps us relieve any kind of pain that you feel during the periods time. Very good even for your back health. Okay, so here you're going to come on top of your knees and then take one arm gap in between your knees and one arm and a palm in front of you. Now with an inhale, slowly arch your back, look up. And exhale, look down. Inhale, up. And exhale, down. Continue doing just about 5 to 10 times. Feel that nice work on your back. the entire stretch onto your entire spine. Try to synchronize your breath. Now once again, arching your back, keep looking up, stay there. Keep breathing normal when you're holding the posture. And then slowly hunch your back, look down. Come back to the center. Alright, now moving on to Malasana. This is one of the very important postures. Again, helps in opening the pelvis region, makes us more flexible around the pelvis, works onto the lower abdomen region, and that's how it helps us to get rid of period pain. Okay, so you're going to sit down in the yogic squat, or we call it Malasana, like that. You can make a fist or make a namaskara in front of you. Stay there, keep your spine tall and stay. Keep breathing. Few breaths here. Holding there for a few breaths, holding the posture. Remember, every time you're going to hold the posture but continue to breathe normal. Now then, place your hand down and slowly start swinging from side to side. You will notice that you feel a deep stretch around the hip region, around the pelvis region, making your pelvis hips even more flexible, creating more space around the pelvis region, relaxing your pelvis muscles, the pelvic bone, and that's how it helps us, especially when we are on our monthly cycles. Okay, so you've done that for about few times. Once you've done, slowly you can relax onto the mat. Let's learn to do the Suandasana, or the bridge posture. Bridge posture again increases the blood circulation over the lower abdomen region, the pelvis region, and that's how it's very, very effective. So for this, Suandasana is also called as a bridge. So you will be lying down onto the mat on your back. Okay, so here, lying down onto the mat on your back, keeping your knees bent, keeping your legs a little apart, placing your hands by the side of your hips. Now from there, with an inhale, slowly lift your hips up, and exhale, come down. Inhale, come up, and exhale, down. You can repeat that for about 5 times, and on the 5th time you're going to hold it for about 10 counts, or you can count your breath. So maybe about 3 to 5 breaths is absolutely fine. This time you're going to hold it. Okay, continue to breathe, maybe 3 breaths. Try and observe how you feel, and slowly come down. Remember, whenever you've done Suandasana or the bridge posture, you're going to counter it with Pavanamuktasana. Hug your knees close to your chest, wrap your hands around your knees, lift your head up. Try to touch your forehead to your knees. Keep breathing. Feel the squeeze on your belly. Few breaths, and slowly release. Next asana we are doing is Sarvangasana. For this, you're going to lift your legs up and then slowly maintain your balance. Try to bring your weight up to your shoulders. So lift your legs up, push yourself up, coming up onto your shoulders, and just stay there. Keep breathing. And slowly come down. Once you've done that, remember to do the counter posture, Matsyasana. Stretch your legs out, lift your chest up, and slowly drop your crown down. Keep breathing normal. And slowly release. Now you may want to relax in Shavasana. Legs apart, arms apart. Close your eyes and relax. Whenever you feel good, roll over to the right side and slowly come up to sitting. So these were a few asanas that you can practice regularly, and this will certainly help you to have painless periods. Now again, I want to precise this point, saying that it should not be like I'm on my periods today and I'm practicing only today to get rid of the pain, because that is not going to help much. This has to be your lifestyle, and these are the exact practices that you have to do on a regular basis if you want to have a smooth period without any pain. So do practice this and do let me know how you liked it. That's it for today. Hari Om.